Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and remove the new Meta AI on Facebook. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is to uninstall the Facebook application because the current Facebook version has the new Meta AI feature. And in today's video, we are going to remove that feature. So first things first, you could just go ahead and hold click the Facebook application right here. You could drag it to the uninstall button, or you can just go ahead and navigate through your Play Store, search Facebook, and inside, you will then go ahead and see the uninstall button. So just go ahead and uninstall Facebook, and right after, we are ready to proceed to the second step. So you want to go ahead and open up your browser right here. Of course, you can go ahead and use any. And in this method, we are going to install a version of Facebook that doesn't have the new Meta AI feature yet. So we will be able to remove that feature. Inside your browser, you want to go ahead and search for Facebook APK. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on the sites that you want to download from. In this video, we are going to download from this site called apkpure.com. So you want to go ahead and navigate through this Facebook. And when we go ahead and look at right here, the current Meta Facebook is 463.000.50. So you want to go ahead and download an older version of Facebook, which is this one, the old versions of Facebook. Just go ahead and click on all versions here. And basically, you want to go ahead and download a version that doesn't have the new Meta AI yet. So in here, I'm just going to go ahead and download the version called 462.00051. It is from April 24, 2024. Just go ahead and click on the download button. And once inside, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the download APK. Now, after clicking this button, it will now download the APK file into our device, as you can go ahead and see right here. And after downloading the file, you want to go ahead and open it up by clicking on the downloaded file. Go ahead and click on install, and in that way you will be able to remove the new Meta AI on Facebook. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.